inside my brains. A needle controls my needs. It eats up my hopes and dreams. Something inside my neck makes me do those things that drive you mad. Like a sponge, a shake hits me like a punch, spreading across your floor. I lick till my tongue gets sore. Something inside my neck tells me there's nothing bad if I try to replace my blood with the magic that drives me far from this man.